Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Codex in Xcode. To install and open Xcode, first install the latest version of Xcode on your Mac. Once installed, open Xcode and sign in with your Apple ID. Make sure you are using a recent version that supports AI features. To enable Codex and set up the AI, go to Xcode, then open Settings and navigate to AI or Intelligence. Click Add Model or Connect AI, then enter your API key or sign into your account. After that, select the Codex model. New Codex is connected to Xcode and ready to use. To open the AI Assistant panel, look at the right sidebar and open the AI Assistant or Agent panel. From the model list, select Codex. This is the panel where you will interact with Codex for all your coding tasks. To start using Codex, you can chat with it directly. Type a prompt such as create Swift UI login screen or build a calculator app, then press enter. Codex will generate the code for your project based on your prompt. You can also work with existing code. Open any file in your project and ask Codex to improve this function or add validation. Codex will automatically update the code for you. Another method is using commands to generate code. Write a command like create a total list app and Codex will generate the full code based on that command. For debugging errors, run your project and if an error appears, ask Codex to fix this error. Codex will analyze the problem and suggest solutions. You can also build a full app using agent-style coding. In the AI panel, type create a complete iOS app with login and dashboard. Codex will create all the necessary files, write the code, fix error, and help you build the app. This is part of the agent-style coding feature available in 2026. For advanced features, you can perform multi-file editing by asking Codex to update all API functions. You can also refactor your code by typing clean and optimize this code. If you want an explanation, simply ask Codex to explain these functions and it will provide a detailed breakdown. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.